you need to be looking 90 days out, okay? All of the action that you're taking right now, it's gonna pay off in 90 days. What's happening, Overcomer Nation? It's your boy John. We just packed up the big truck, got it all loaded up, and we're right here at the Dream Hotel Hollywood. Look at this bad boy. It's another one of our accounts. We do the commercial window cleaning for this bad boy. But then if you look across the street here, we actually do Mama Shelter right here, the construction site that's about to be built, and also this one right here. You can see the magnitude of this project right here. It's actually a really good size if you look at it. This is where a lot of celebrities stay here. It's a pretty hot spot right here in Hollywood. But when I was coming up in the window cleaning industry, actually in pressure washing, construction cleanup, we do a lot of interesting stuff like that. I didn't think things were gonna work out, man. But you know what? They are. It's because I kept showing up. And it's because I'm staying humble, I'm staying motivated. We gotta do all this, look at all this stuff. Gotta clean all of these damn windows. You can actually see our scissor lift right down here. It's ready to roll. But anyways, if you're gonna get into this thing, then make sure you're consistent with it. You know, you need to be consistent. If you're not consistent, then things aren't gonna work out, okay? They're not gonna work out to your advantage. Consistency is key for any of this, okay? Whether you want more money, you want to make more, you want bigger jobs, you want bigger projects, it's the consistency. You know, you need to be planning what's 90 days out from now. What is the next 90 days of your life look like, okay? Not what is the next 30 days, okay? Not tomorrow, okay? You're not going to get the results you want tomorrow. You need to be looking 90 days out, okay? All of the action that you're taking right now, it's going to pay off in 90 days. So don't worry about tomorrow. Don't worry about 30 days from now. Worry about 90 days from now, okay? It's the best piece of advice I can give you, because 9 out of 10 times you're gonna quit too early before things actually work out. You're gonna quit way too early. You don't wanna quit early. You wanna quit when it's time to quit. And it's not time to quit, okay? It's time to show up. Back when I first started doing residential projects, I was doing $75 projects. Like 75 bucks, man. From 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock in the morning, okay? Now I do massive, large commercial contracts for developers, directly for developers that are, look at this thing. It's a big project, man. And it's right here in downtown Hollywood. It's one of the most popular spots down here, okay? And the only reason I've been able to do this, all of these prospects started off cold, and then you build the relationships up. One thing leads to another. But zig and zag, my friend, zig and zag, show up on a consistent basis. Okay, don't be scared. Don't doubt yourself. Just keep showing up, you know? Whether you're just starting or you've been doing this shit for 3 to 5 years, it doesn't really matter. You just need to show up. Keep showing up. Okay? It's the best piece of advice I can give you. Be consistent, and over time, all of your action right now is gonna pay off in 90 days. I hope you win. I wanna give you blessings. I wanna say, you know, that I remember what it felt like to be in the same situation that you're in right now. But if you keep showing up, keep putting in the work, keep being consistent, it's gonna pay off. Ain't that right, Jose?
Sure.
It's gonna pay off, huh, dog? All right, guys.